A very good morning, children. I am Gagan Bhatia, your SST teacher from Springfields Public School. I hope you are fine, children, and taking care of yourselves. Today we will be reading about another crop that is given on page number 61 of your geography books, that is about tea. All of you love to drink tea? Yes or no, children? Let us read some facts about tea, which is a plantation crop. Tea is prepared from the leaves of a tropical shrub. It needs sloping land to avoid waterlogging. Temperature of about 25 degrees C is needed. Annual rainfall of about 250 centimeters is required, and tea requires well-drained fertile soil. Tea is found in countries like China, India, Sri Lanka, Kenya, and Japan. Coffee. Children often love to drink cold coffee. Let us read about coffee now. The name coffee has been derived from the highland district of Kaffa, where it was first found. Coffee plant requires average temperature of about 22 degrees C, annual rainfall between 150 and 250 centimeter, well-drained loamy soil, and shelter from direct sunlight. Brazil is the largest producer and exporter of coffee in the world. USA is the largest importer of coffee in the world. Another topic which is given on page number 62 of your books is about a farm that is found in your country, that's India. You can see in the image that traditional methods of farming through bullocks is used in this type of farming. Can you see the images that are in front of you? The main features of agriculture found in India are: subsistence agriculture is practiced. That is, the farmer's family consumes the entire produce for his own family. Land holdings in India are generally small due to inheritance laws. That is, the land which belongs to the father is divided among his sons and daughters. Farm in USA is totally different from that is found in India, because USA is a very prosperous and developed country which is blessed with very vast fertile plains. As you can see on page number 64 of your books, they have given you many advantages of the farm that is found in USA. The rolling plains are well drained and suitable for extensive mechanized farming. The spring season is not cold and the summers are not very hot. The dark brown soil is full of humus and organic matter. The farm which we have selected in the prairies grassland have the following characteristics. The size of the farm is about 1000 hectares. The farm is owned and managed by a farmer and his family. Livestock is raised to supplement the farm income. There is a small workshop to maintain the farm machinery. The yield per hectare is moderate, but per worker is very high. The farmer earns enough money to maintain a high standard of living. So these were a few differences about the farm that is found in India and that found in USA. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day. We will be reading and discussing about the glossary and will do the question answers in the next lecture. Stay home, stay safe, children. Thank you once again.